guys, we're out here at Moses Lake. Got Ryan on board. Trying to go get some trout, a couple of reds, call it a day. See how we do. It's little. It's a red though. Is it? Yeah, I'll take that trout, guys. Probably 16, 17, not the best, but we'll take it. 17, not bad. Water is still warm. Birds working everywhere over there now. Yeah. Big trout. Bigger trout, not big. That's a little 18, guys. Trying to catch reds, really. All these trout. We're gonna go to the reef later, but I'll keep it. 17. Ryan got a rock, you know. Third trout probably right here. Probably go home early as hell today. Yep. And I got a fish over here. Oh, took my bait. Yeah, it's an easy day.
Even.
What?
Yeah. You already caught 3 trout casually.
Yeah, that was pretty nonchalant. Oh, here at the gates, guys. People start showing up. Oh, he got some. Oh, a trout or something. Trout right here. Birds starting to wake up. Starting to work. On the other side, look calm as hell. Okay. Oh, that guy went on the other side. Yeah, trout are everywhere out here. Oh, that's a nice one. Little keeper. Trout. I'll get a limit by then. Should have brought the thermal. 16. They're all 17, 16, really. Ain't nothing crazy. Just popping it. Dead, lie, don't matter. They were hitting it. I told. As soon as you started popping it, you got a hook, right? Yeah. Told you. Little small trout, baby. Oh, I got a hit. Dang. Oh. Sorry, bro. I know. I wanted you to grab it, get the first one.
It's all good.
He might not. Yeah, he make it. He's 21. They're here, dog. I told you. Yeah. We tried that reef, man. We didn't get a bite. I mean, I got one trout, but open up. Came back here to the gates. What? He's not. Oh, he's 20 and a quarter.
Yeah.
Yep. Barely made it. Mikey tried to measure the fish at the fork when he caught that bull. it's a sheep head or something, or a drum. Well, it's not running. Oh, it is a red. Yeah.
Did a little bit.
I know, that boy Mikey. Ooh, I thought I missed him, bro. Crazy. Hey. Oh yeah, look at that hook set, boy. $26. I knew I had a bite earlier. What? Nah, hell no.
With Blake, I wasn't even catching that many fish, bro.
This one's a little bit bigger one. Yeah, it's a red. Ah!
The bull, huh?
No, I just broke my line. Damn, guys. That sucks. Oh, that's why they pull your shit in the rock. It's not the first time that happened. Huh? God damn! Bro, they came from fucking out there. Holy. They're catching more flounder, bro. That's alright. I feel sorry for that little boat that gotta go back out. Trying to use all the strength so we can go. I know you're.
You're something else, bro.
You're something else, dog. That's what he's using? Hmm. Come on, Red. Where you at? One more red, baby. Current.
He's in the bottom, dragged on the current the whole time, trying to let it get snagged.
We're almost done, Pan. Yep, right there where the sheep head would be. Right there on the wall. Shut the Is it? It is sprinkling.
Yeah.
You almost done.
You got 5 more shrimps to catch it right in. We got
Alright. No, it wasn't. No, I just don't know why they're not hitting the lures right now. Hey, you can see slicks now, though. Crazy. This fucking shrimp. Oh, nearly 10 minutes. 5 minutes. I guess when redfish come in school. Alright, I'm gonna throw all that mullet in. Try one more shrimp and we'll get out of here. Yeah, I know. I'm gonna dump this in and we'll go. We're out. We're outie.
get out. I work too hard to sit on the couch all fucking day. Hold on.
Well, guys, my buddy here ain't catching anything.
Cause you eat bananas.
But I'm enjoying my banana. Caught some reds, trout. Pretty good day. We're gonna head in right now. Starting to sprinkle. Catch y'all later.